Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to look at how to ski parallel. Over the years, whilst teaching skiing, I found this drill here has helped plenty of people with their parallel skiing. The drill we'll be looking at today is the side slip. A side slip is when both skis flatten onto the snow and you slide sideways down the mountain. This works by rolling your feet and your lower legs to the side to allow your skis to flatten onto the snow. Practicing this drill will enable both skis to work together when moving from one turn to the next. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe for some more content.